Good morning, students. Today we are going to see page number 24, that is chapter number 3, Introduction to MS Word. In that, we are going to see the practical session of document area, practical session of title bar, help, then quick access, toolbar, maximization, minimization, all the parts. So let's start. Page number 24. You have to go in all apps. Here you have to start the Microsoft Word document. Just click on start button. Then you have to click on all apps and you will get directly Microsoft Word document. Here you have to just single click because all start operation required only single click button of the left button of the mouse. Here you will get a blank document. Now you can see here we have to start a new blank document. Again, file, new, and you can select any layout from this. Okay, so I will select any one layout that you like. Just click on create, just click on new, then blank document, and then create. And here you will get a blank document. After that, let's see here you can see first part is title bar. Here you can see why it is called as a title, because it is given a title, that is document 2. That is a caption of the file, caption of the document, or title of document. That is why it is called as a title bar. Then this is called as a minimizing. After clicking this, the window will be minimized. If you press this will adjust the window. This is called as the adjustment of windows. Okay. This is called as a maximization of windows. Okay. And this is called as a minimization. Okay. Windows 10 will automatically help you, or Microsoft application will help you. They will prompt you. You can see it is prompting me like this: minimize operation, restore down. You can maximize it. You can see this is a close operation. When I press it, it will be Windows will be pressed. So this left corner is called as a quick access toolbar. It is for saving the file. You can save file from this like this. You have to just press on a save and your document will be saved. You have to give the name like this, demo, and file is, you can see now title is demo. So I have saved the file. Okay, every time you have to save the file. Now I will type my name. Okay, now you can see this undo effect will be activated. So what is undo? Undo will cancel your last action. Look at this. Whatever I had typed, it will be cancelled or revoked. Okay, this is called as a redo. Whatever I had typed, that action will be again repeated. Or whatever data I have lost, that data I will get. So that is called as a redo. Means repeat the action, whatever you have typed. Okay, so whatever you have typed, you will get again. Again, cancel the last action. Redo the last action. Okay, undo the last action. So both are opposite action. You can see when I click redo, the all typed text will be regenerated again. Okay, when I click undo, all type will be cancel. So last action will be cancel. undo करने से आपका जो टाइपिंग किया वो कैंसिल हो जाएगा और रीडू क्लिक करने के बाद आपने जो भी टाइप किया है वो आपको मिल जाएगा वापस. Okay, then this is called as a ribbon group because this is a collection of menu option, and that is why it is called as a ribbon. This clipboard, font, this is called as a menu bar. Okay, these are different menu bars: file, home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view is called as a menu bar. And this collection of menu bar and these all clipboards is called as a ribbon. Okay, this is called as a menu bar, and this is a collection of option, that is a clipboard of option. Okay, there are different clipboards, different ribbon group. Okay, now what is a file tab? This is called as a file tab. Here you will get all the operation regarding the file. If you want to save the file, if you want to open the file, close the file, open the recent files, new files, print the file, save file, exit file, means cancel the file, etc. So this is called as a file operation. That is why it is called as a file tab. Okay, this is a collection of all menus, and that is why this all part is called as a ribbon, collection of option. Then document area. This whole white color blank document is called as a document area. Okay, which is used to type the document. Then this tab, menu tab, is used to access the option. This is a collection of option ribbon which is used to quickly access the whatever you have typed. Okay. Look at this. If you want to access this, you can create some space. So what is the use of it? Because of this ribbon, because of these options, you can quickly access it. Okay? You can quickly access the options. That is the use of this ribbon. That is a collection of options. So you can easily access these all options. That is the use of ribbon. Okay. Here you will get all file operation. That is why it is called as a file tab. And this is a blank document area where you can type the documents. Then finally, this is called as the scroll bar, which scroll up and down to the documents. Okay. So there are two types of scroll bar. This is a vertical scroll bar. Okay. There is one more. So in some documents there will be horizontal bar also, but here it is disabled. Okay, because we are only working on the vertical documents, and that is why it is activated, and horizontal bar is disactivated. So this is called as a scrolling of documents. This is the use of scroll bar. Then there is the status bar. Here you can see in left corner, this is called as status. That is showing a status of your current document. We are working on page number 1. We have typed 7 words, and then we are working, or we are using English language, UK English language. So that is showing a status. Here you have not saved the file. Now you can see this will be disabled after you save the file. Proofing error were found. Here is some error. It will prompt you some errors. So after delete this wrong spelling, if you delete all this wrong spelling, you will get, you can see now no proofing errors. So this status indicate you, it will give some errors to prompt you, so you can correct your mistake. Okay, it will show all the status, so you will get a clear idea on which page you are working currently, etc. Okay, this is called as a left margin of the page. This is called as a top margin of the page. Here you can adjust your top margin. Okay, so there are a lot of margins. You will see all that part one by one. So this is the part of the documents. Okay, so finally, this is called as a, you can zoom the document like this, you can adjust the documents. Okay, this is a zoom in, zoom out. This is called as a view of the pages. You can see, you can, this is a view of the pages. Okay, this is a normal view. Thank you very much. Finally, you can get help from this, and even you can final option, that is close, which is used to close the document. Every time you have to save the document, okay, and exit. Thank you very much.